Hello, Maryland readers. I am Alan Gratz, the author of 2 Degrees, which you guys voted for as this year's winner of the grade 6 through 8 Black-Eyed Susan Award. Thank you so much. This means a ton to me. Look, 2 Degrees was a really hard book for me to write. Number one, I wrote it during COVID, which is probably not the best time to be reading about climate change while everything else is going on outside the house and we're all in lockdown. That was tough. And also, look, I know a lot more about history than I do about science. So I had to learn a lot about climate science to be able to write 2 Degrees. And I spent like a year doing all that research, and I still, at the end of that, hadn't even started writing the book. I didn't even know who my characters were going to be. So then I had to figure out what the story was going to be, because to me, the most important thing is not to get a whole bunch of climate science out to you, but the biggest thing I want to make sure I do is write a book that you can't put down, that makes you want to keep turning the pages. And then if there's something that you learn about history or about science in my books, that's awesome. But the number one thing I'm always trying to do is write a book that you want to keep reading, that you can't put down. So I love that you guys loved this book. It means a lot to me because it was a really difficult book to write in a difficult time, and it's about a really difficult subject. But it's something that's affecting all of us everywhere all the time now, and we've got to be really aware of it, and we've got to really be conscious of what we're doing as human beings if we want to make sure that the future of this planet is safe for us and everybody to come. So thank you so much for reading 2 Degrees, for loving 2 Degrees, and for voting for it for this year's Black-Eyed Susan Award. You guys are awesome. I hope you have a great rest of the school year, a terrific summer, and I hope that you keep reading.